In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and end videos at specific times in Google Slides. This is a great way to keep your presentation focused by showing only the exact part of a video that supports your message. First, open the Google Slides presentation that already contains the video you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the slide where the video lives. Now, click directly on the video to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the resize handles around it. If you don't see those, click again to be sure the video, not another object, is selected. Next, look to the top toolbar and click Format Options. If you don't see it there, you can also right-click the video and choose Format Options from the menu. A panel will open on the right side of your screen with several settings just for that video. In the panel, find and click Video Playback to expand those controls. If it's already open, you'll see fields for Start At and End At, along with a small video preview. To set the start time, click in the Start At box and type the time in seconds for when you want the video to begin. For example, enter 30 if you want to skip the first 30 seconds. This is handy for jumping past intros or sections that aren't relevant to your audience. Setting an end time is optional, but it's useful when you only need a short clip. In the End At box, enter the time when you want the video to stop playing. If you leave it blank, the video will play to the end. If you do set an end time, Google Slides will stop playback exactly at that point during your presentation. If you prefer not to type numbers, use the current time shortcut. Play or scrub through the video preview in the panel, pause exactly where you want the clip to start or end, then click Use Current Time next to the Start At or End At field. This helps you set precise moments without guessing the seconds. Finally, test your work. Start the slideshow, navigate to the slide with the video, and play it to confirm it begins and ends at the times you chose. If it's a little off, press Escape to exit the slideshow, tweak the times in the panel, and test again. Your changes save automatically. Using these settings, you can control exactly which part of a video appears in your presentation, making your slides cleaner, faster, and more engaging. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.